The world we live in is changing. We are all having to rethink how we go about our daily lives and how we interact with each other. But despite the new challenges we all face, some things haven't changed, such as locking yourself out of your home or workplace, losing your keys, or simply needing to improve your or your family's security. LockRite Locksmiths are the UK's largest and most trusted locksmith network. We train all of our locksmiths to the highest standards, and that includes social distancing and personal protective measures designed to keep you and your household or business safe and functioning normally. Every LockRite Locksmith offers a complete range of traditional lock services, but we also work in partnership with some of the biggest names in the security industry and specialise in the supply and installation of cutting-edge digital products such as smart door locks, CCTV and alarms. Every LockRite Locksmith offers a contactless invoicing and payment service, and our work areas are disinfected afterwards for your peace of mind. Right now in the UK, some things are out of our control, but your security and peace of mind should never be amongst them. Why not call LockRite today to see how we can help make your world a better, safer place? LockRite Locksmiths. When you need us, we'll be there.